sivugile, therefore we are still in the game. We continue to grow and to learn. And the about learning is that you get to, but in its shadow work, you get to deal with the truths. And the truth for me today, in my reflection, a truth that I'm pondering on, is a guy who once said that if you will change, then everything around you will change. It's so easy to pray and say, God must change things, God must make things better, God must move you from here to there, God must give you this. Iqiniso kodwa ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi kungenzeki. Do we take that honest look at what we are being taught, at what we are supposed to be learning, at how we are supposed to be developing certain things, whether it be character yakho, whether it be izinto ethize that need to change, that you need to change ngawe. Ngoba kulula ukuthi abantu mabashintshe, kulula ukuthi izimo mashintshe. Kodwa if you remain the same and you come across something that you've been praying for, you are given something that you've been praying for, you are the very person that will destroy it or sabotage that thing. If you khulekisa a relationship, if you khulekisa a career breakthrough, if you khulekisa financial blessings or breakthrough, kodwa kunezinto that you have not taken accountability for, or kunezinto that you have not learned about how you've responded previously in those relationships, how you've behaved, how you've handled yourself, the mistakes that you've made in those areas, then if you are granted those things, usazophinda futhi umoshe ngoba the universe will repeat something, will bring it back. These are with different people until we learn the lessons that we need to learn. Until also realize ukuthi izinto not about other people changing, isn't not about izinto miraculously changing and life becoming easier. Life will always have difficulties and challenges. But if you don't learn and develop, you figure to a level where you can respond in a constructive manner, positively, where your perspective and your mindset has shifted, grounded, you have healed, you have worked on yourself. You are not always looking at how others are doing always to you. And we are ukuthatha accountability and learn and grow. We'll always have to grow with each and every experience. But how we respond to our experiences, yebonisayo, if we are growing, we are developing as people, or sime one place, and that place most of the time is a position of a victim. So if you will change, everything around you will change. Whatever it is that you are praying for, whatever it is that you are manifesting, whatever it is that you are trusting the universe, God, your guides for, it's important to reflect. It's important to go into your own shadows and uzibuze ngempela ukuthi, am I ready for lento engikhulekisayo noma engicelayo? What is it that I need to learn, to acquire? Where do I need to develop ukuze mangithola lokhu engicelayo ngibe ngikwazi ukuhandle and ngingakumoshi mina futhi. We take in baggage to izinto ngoba we have not dealt with why lasiphuma khona, what happened, and did I really dissect, and did I really take accountability for my part ezintweni. So for today, as you pray, as we are hoping for other people to change and for things to change, qala ngawe.